I'm opening the door to the RV right now to show you our snowstorm event. It is really coming down. We already took care of feeding before it started coming down like this. So everybody's tucked into their shelters with their breakfasts. The wild birds are still coming into the rabbit garden. I'm just sticking my arm out the door here, so not the greatest view. Now I'm inside looking out the southern window, and there's a fence line, our nucleus fence, and it's got a flock of bluebirds. I don't know. Sometimes they fly up in the air and make a flurry with a snow flurry every so often. But there's, I don't know, countless, dozens and dozens of them. It's really blowing. The Australorps are seeking shelter under that twin set of junipers. We're calling that the Doubletree Inn. All right, well, hope you all are staying warm and dry. Cheers and blessings.